Hello all, welcome to my channel Chandassu and more. This is me Chandana. So today we are going to know about preparation of soil mix. Also, it's main important part in gardening. I hope you all know a little bit about soil, but still many of them will go in confusion what soil we have to use. So don't skip this video, watch till end, you will understand which soil you have to mix for your garden. So now we are going to use coco peat. This is the first one and which is very important for every gardener. So this coco peat will absorb the water till the plant grows. Means it can store water for a long time. And the second one is sand, which is mostly important. This is also a main factor in mixing of soil. Many people will think that using of coco peat is just enough, but no. You have to use sand also, so perfect measure, not too much, in a perfect quantity. So this will give you effective result for your plants. And you can see I'm taking, if you are using one bag of coco peat, then you can mix a perfect measure like which I'm measuring and adding, right? So you can also add like that. You can use this perfect measure, but if you are taking less than or more than this, so you see the video and you just compare it and you can add. And it's main to add vermicompost to your soil. These two particular soils will not make your plant to grow even more better. To give it some more nutrients, you have to use vermicompost. You can see how black the vermicompost is, how dark it is, how better it works. And vermicompost is also a main part in gardening. Vermicompost means by the earthworms. I hope you know about vermicompost, or tell me in the comment section to make a separate video on that. I'll try to make it. And the fourth one is neem cake, which is absolutely important for your plants to recover from pests and white ants, bugs, mealybugs. This all mix this soil to give you a perfect soil for your plants. I'm sure use this for your plants. If they doesn't grow, no, then tell me in the comment section. Definitely they will grow. And it is also important to use cow dung manure. So if you are using this all, then your soil will become like an medicine for your plants. Perfect medicine for your plants. No need to use other than this, like fertilizers. No need to use any fertilizers, whether it may be organic or inorganic. So now also, if you are thinking the soil will not sufficient, you can also use garden soil. So I'm also using garden soil for my plants. Don't forget to like the video, huh? Comes to the mixing part. Mix it totally, so soil should have completely mixed. Okay, you can see like that. If you want to prepare in large quantity, then take these measures. If you don't want to make in large quantity, then you can. So please don't skip any of these materials which I used, because they are most important for your soil. And also there are no alternatives for this. Now you can see. Mix twice, thrice until the soil mixes all. Okay, and if you wanted to, this is an alternative. If you wanted to use, so mostly people will use after the sapling comes out from the seed. But still, if you mix it in the soil, then from the starting stage of the seed, it will grow even more better, I think. There are eggshells, which is also main part in the gardening. You can collect how many eggshells you are having. So with me there are in the garden, so I am taking them out. Actually I'm having more than that, but still we have to use, so I'm using few of them. You need to collect a bunch. You can collect a little, but there will also give eggshells are eggshells always, right? You can see the earthworms revolving that. If you see, then tell me in the comment section whether you saw the earthworms or not. And it comes a part for our gardening, and you can see pots are main important. So making hole people will think it's a difficult, but it's not at all difficult. Use one strong iron or something, we can say in Telugu as Seeku, I don't know English, sorry. You can heat it and you can make holes for your buckets. Now place it there. So I'm keeping more than 7, no 6. It's coming to the mashing of these eggshells. Mix them in the soil, mash them and mix them in the soil, crush them and mix them in the soil. Now it's main thing to cover drainage holes. Many people will think, why to cover them? We kept to allow the water go down, right, drain out, right? Then why you have to keep, because where if you won't keep them, no, the soil will also float away with water. So correctly, exactly use a small to cover drainage hole. You can use cardboard or something, stones. If you are having stones, you can. If you are not having, there are many alternatives which you can see in the screen, right? And add the soil as you can see. Difficult part is to collect them all and add to the buckets. Plenty of hard work is needed for this. Not only hard work, you should also have some patience. It's main important. Hashtag BTS behind the scenes. You can see, right, that time lapse, it took me more than 2.5 hours. So just I hope a little like will make that work, will make my gratitude towards gardening. And you can see I made a tower garden like this. I hope you all like this video. In case do like, do share, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe.